Hi friends, I am Ronald Ashish. Today's session is about Introduction to MCSA. MCSA 2012, Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate. So MCSA 2012 covers Windows Server 2012 features. Earlier it was MCITP, Microsoft Certified IT Professional. The server was Windows Server 2008. Before that again MCSA 2003 servers, Microsoft Certified System Engineers. So now they reunited the name. They gave same MCS name, but the definition got changed here. Microsoft Certified Solution Experts. If you take a 5 papers, 3 papers, MCSA. So here we're seeing a lot of changes has been occurred in Windows 2012 now. Certification name got changed. Screen and navigation changes has been done. Look and feel like when you see Open Server Manager, the roles is separate option, tools is separate options when it was in 2008 server. Now you can see in one option role, add roles and features. And also they introduced lot of PowerShell commands. Using PowerShell commands, you can install the features, roles same time by creating a scripting commands. If you are good in scripting, you can just go ahead, create scripting for installing role. For example, install DNS, just say add role features, DNS, DHCP, same way you can just install, use the command, you can run the command. And also it will help you for creating bulk users, not 1 or 2 users. If you have 100 users to create immediately, so it's difficult for you to create one after one. So using a PowerShell, you can create multiple users, bulk users in single shot, which is very much possible. Coming to certifications, the first paper is 7410, installing and configuring Windows Server 2012. Second is 7411, administering Windows Server 2012. The third one is 7412, configuring advanced Windows Server 2012 services. So I'll explain you and give the information about all these 3 papers now. What are the topics are going to be covered each and every paper? So we'll discuss now. So first one, 7410. Installing and configuring Windows Server 2012. We'll be seeing differences between 2008 and 2012 server and how to install the operating system. You can install the operating system using CD or DVD. That's option number 1. Option number 2, you can install again using USB drives, pen drives you can say. You can just make a bootable disk, then you can run your show. Just go and install it. The next one is installing through network. WDS, Windows Deployment Service. Say for example, you want to install the operating system for 100 systems. 2012 only I want to install. It will take full day for me to install 100 systems. Might be more than that. So what is WDS is doing for you? It is reducing your time, your burden, everything comes down now. In one shot, you can just deploy operating system, all the 100 systems. Including you can install MS Office package, antivirus, whatever you want, you can also install. So that feature is coming again through WDS. You'll be seeing local storage, disk management, how to manage your hard disk, how to create the partitions, and file system. So what is the difference between NTFS file system and FAT file system? How I can secure my folder? How I can give the protection to my drives? That's what comes in files file system, which helps you for providing security features and sharing your network, sharing folders with again rights and permissions. We'll be seeing about Active Directory service, installing and configuring ADS, and the importance of ADS, features of ADS, objects, creating objects, managing the objects, and IPv4 configuration, which is very important. Configuring without having the IP address configured in a system, we cannot communicate. We are communicating in a network just because the IP is configured. There are two options of configuring IP address. One is manually you can configure the IP address. The other way is you can use DHCP server. Through DHCP, you can assign the IP address to all the systems. Configuring DHCP server, implementing DHCP, troubleshooting, then DNS configuration, group policies, implementing group policy, creating group policy objects, and also virtualization, creating virtual machines. I will show you how to create virtual machine, how to install the operating system. So everything will be discussing in our main course. So this is about first paper. The second paper is 410 7411. Here comes like administering Windows Server 2012, configuring and troubleshooting domain name system, that is DNS, maintaining accurate domain service, again managing user accounts, service accounts, so group policy infrastructure, how to create a group policy infrastructure, and managing desktop policies you can set, because every company want a like your company wallpaper, so that you can also link through group policy here. Install, configure, troubleshoot network policy service, checking the health of the system, condition of the system, network access protection will be same. Remote desktop, again remote access service. So Windows XP, there is XP is Windows Vista 7 and 8 and also 10. Remote assistance, which is a handy tool is there. That instant configure that one. So it will help you to access the remote system. But here you have to get the permission from the other user. Configuring again encryption and advanced settings. We can do all these things and deploy, as I said, deploying, maintain server images, create image and deploy to any systems. And updating the systems, patch management, monitoring the systems. And the last paper, MCSA last paper, the third one, configuring advanced Windows Server 2012 services. Configure and manage iSCSI store. So actually iSCSI is a connector which you can connect to the storage server. Using that you can connect the storage, you can access the data. Certification configuration, rights and management, ADFS, Federation Service. So these are all the features we're going to see in MCSA 2012. So a lot more is there we'll be discussing in our main class. But make sure that you're doing all the practicals. So practical is very important. Installing operating system, creating local users, providing local security permissions. So everything you're going to see in your MCSA 2012. So I hope you got some information about MCSA three papers and what you're going to learn in these three papers. Thanks for watching.